can add the entire bottle if you please. So you can just use your discretion.
Three simple ingredients to this pina colada recipe.
Here we have pineapple chunks in pineapple syrup or pineapple juice. We're going to use the Royal Navy White overproof rum. And here we also have some chopped coconut that we're going to be using to make or extract the coconut juice. But if you have coconut cream, you can go ahead and use your coconut cream from the can, but I'm going to be doing it the natural way. So I'm going to be using the natural coconut milk. So I'm just going to be blending. So when you're making the coconut milk with the coconut, the natural coconut, you want to ensure that you don't add a lot of water to the mixture. As you realize, it is not all the way up here. It is not full to the maximum level. It's about half of the blender cup. So you want to use a small amount because you want to get the coconut milk rich. We don't want it water, no. So you add little bit amount, about 1.5 cup of water, depending on the amount of coconut that you're going to be using, as well as the serving size. Okay guys, so this is it. This is how it is looking. See that? Very rich. Look at the juice. So what I'm going to be doing next is to juice. So you get your sieve or your strainer. In Jamaica we say strainer, and we're going to juice it. Look at that. And you know, after you juice your coconut, you can just save the trash, and as we know, make some TOTO. So you can check out my TOTO recipe. I'll put a link right here in the top right corner, and you just juice. Lovely. There is it. Okay guys, so when you blend the coconut and you juice it into, preferably use a clear container, like a glass container, where you can see the separation of the coconut cream, as you can see here, the coconut cream and the water that you use to blend the coconut. So when we're going to pour it off, or what we're going to be using is this layer, that is the coconut cream. So we don't need the water. So you're going to allow it to sit for about 15 minutes, after about 10 to 15 minutes after blending, and allow it to be separated, because we want the cream right here. Okay guys, so we're now going to pour off the cream, and remember that we don't want the water. About 2/3 cup of coconut cream. So here we are going to be using pineapple chunks. If you have the natural pineapple, you can go ahead and peel the pineapple and use the slices, as well as the juice. So this is the syrup or the pineapple juice. So first, we're going to be adding some ice cubes, and then we're going to add some pineapple chunks. Depending on the serving size, you can go ahead and adjust. Afterwards, we're going to also add some of the pineapple juice. We're going to add the coconut cream. Jerry and nephew white overproof. We are good with whites now. You can add the entire bottle if you please. So you can just use your discretion. Guys, you don't know what happened there now, you know. Trouble there. So going to be adding some honey. Guys, in my kitchen smell like rum bar. Then we're going to give it a blend. Okay guys, so if you have your magic bullet, you can use a magic bullet or whatever bullet you have or blender to make smoothies, but guys, when you call upon this, never come through. So we have to improvise and use the next best. It's the blender, but if you have the bullet, you can go ahead and use that, but when you call upon it, it didn't come through.
Look at our delicious alcoholic beverage, Pina Colada. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoy this recipe and you want more. Like, comment, share with a friend. Look at that, guys. This is giving us a Hawaii vibes. We just need some books and take some natural sunlight and sip on our delicious Pina Colada. Want to check out more of our videos? Check these out.